Hi there, everyone. I'm Zoe Clarke from RosterElf, and today I'll show you how to adjust hours in the Payroll tab. How to open the Payroll tab. Click the Payroll tab in the main menu to load your payroll overview. Wait until the overview finishes loading so all shifts appear. How to locate the shift. Select the relevant day on the payroll screen to filter the list. Browse the shifts displayed for that day until you find the one that needs an update. Confirm you have the correct shift before you edit anything. How to adjust the hours. Click the custom column next to the chosen shift to override the recorded hours. Enter the new hours, for example 7.5, to reflect the shift worked. How to save your changes. Click Save at the bottom of the screen to apply your adjustments. Check that the updated hours now show correctly in the list. Thanks for tuning in. If you need help, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering!